this side.
Beach.
Ito,
Beach.
Bantayan Island. Sabi mo na to.
Excited, guys!
Yes!
Hi, where are you going? No, 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 no. Time. Hi, where are you going? You going to park po? Dili mo ganoon na ka. Ari, nya na Ari. Where are you going, ma?
Bantayan Island.
Ah?
And
Oh, kayo. Siya rin naglahi. Sunscape. Wow, it's so cool. Say hi, guys. Hi, Mom. You go to the driver's side. Tour na. Wow. Nice. Very clean, no? Wow, you open it. Oh, wow. Wow, so humot. I like it. Very clean. Wow. Wow. This is our view.
Mama, is your bike?
Gonna eat our lunch first. Sa init, mang kaayo. Sakay na lang ka. Init tayo. Lahi na lang kayo. No? Sa dagat yan.
Oh. Hey.
Mine. Mine.
Kuya, tawag lang may kuya ha. Tawag lang.
First day, then magulong yung talong ka. Ay, energy.
Ito scallops ay. Ano to? Big scallops.
Big scalp.
Okay. Mati na kita.
Kulay nga ni sa buog. Siguro malangga. Wala.
Wala.
Good, good. Maday lugar.
Lagam, please.
Are you full?
Yeah.
Hi, where are you now?
I'm in the motorcycle.
Nag-ride ka?
Oh.
Hi!
Wait for me. Help me. Help me. Beep, beep.
Kasag ilagay. Ato pang gabi. Hi to mommy. You say hi. Where are you now? Whoa.
Hindi kami paparin. Ito yung fish, oh.
Oh, fish feeding, Ari.
Uy.
Ali, diri, okay, Papa. Kainit ka, diha, you go.
This is mine and this is yours.
Okay.
Gamay-gamay lang ha. Gamay
Okay.
lang ha.
Okay. The fish!
Ako, gulay. Ako.
Hi, Ma. Asa ka? Sige.
Ay, hindi naman labos na nila manghilabot yan. Tangkig. Oh, tangkig ta. You see it? Kita ta? Oh, ta. So, isok-sok na. Isok-sok. Ang walo-walo.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Careful, guys.
Travel is life.
Maski ang crudo 130 na.
Oh.
Bye.
Eh. Siguro niyo. Ah. Hi.
Wait for the ocean.
Mama Dang, get it? Makaon, mana, bulbog, mana. Mana, bulbog.
Hello.
Don't touch it.
Ay, touch it.
Fish.
Oh.
Fish, hiccup it.
Okay, kapit. Go, you're so brave. Oh, wow. Up, 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 up.
He's so good. He's so nice.
Yeah.
Mommy, I wanna. Jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Luya, oy, lakaw. Let him go na.
No. I mean,
So isa din ni siya ka kuan guys, isa ka
Dirty lagi.
Ali ni siya. Klase-klase ang mga food. Mura siya D-Mall sa Boracay. The Hungry Beach Company. So lahi-lahi day ang mga tag-iya guys. Isa siya kaali. And then ang among napili nga food stall. Set upan ka og table. Yung view is the seaside. Nice. Hi! We're gonna eat our dinner.
Bless.
Wow!
Napoy shrimp.
Ako kay na guys.
No, ang galing mo. Happy? Ako. Sweet.
Hi! Say hi to mommy. I don't know, pero makawala siya vibe sa isla. Siya ra dyan naglahi sa tanan. Siya rin dako kay nga building. Tsaka kaayo. Say A. Okay, go run in the water. Wow! Hansa na ho na we. We're going home na. Waiting for the 11:30 boarding time. Nakapas kami guys. 1:30 yung kami pero 11:30 na lang. Kadili namin mag-lunch dito sa Santa Fe Beach Club. Beach Club.
If you made it to the end of this vlog, remember to be more caring and loving every day. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next one. Safe travels everyone. Bye!